Hello, my name is Nicole Greenhalgh, and I'm presenting my research on serving the older adult population in a library setting. This poster is a guide for information professionals to use to better serve this diverse population. My research is broken up into 5 main sections, including an introduction to the group, a look into their user needs, challenges and barriers this group faces, initiatives and meeting their needs, and finally, some thoughts for the future. I also provide a reference list of over 15 scholarly sources that I used for my research and this presentation. First, in an introduction to the user group, we go over the definition of a senior citizen, including the different terms used for seniors, as well as some information about the size of the group and some projections for the future. This is accompanied by a variety of statistics on the group taken from the U.S. Census Bureau. In the next section, the user needs are explored. These needs range from physical, visual, auditory, and technology needs. Also discussed are desired materials for librarians to consider when creating a collection geared toward older adults. Pew Research is used to identify some of the technology needs and behaviors found with this older population. 2 graphs taken from Pew Research Center on internet adoption as well as technology adoption are included. Challenges and barriers that the older population may face when accessing the library was a very important focus of my research. Identifying challenges leads to the implementation of initiatives to address barriers and help this user group overcome them. A majority of the challenges that this group faces are based upon rapidly changing technologies and their struggle with comprehending and retaining this new range of skills. To name a few, seniors face barriers with understanding how information is organized, for example, the Dewey Decimal Classification System, as well as using the library OPAC to conduct searches. The physical card catalog is something that they may have been accustomed to for a large portion of their life as a library user and would feel more comfortable using. These struggles can lead to library anxiety as well as frustration. In addition to technology struggles, seniors may also face physical challenges that may affect their experience at the library or make it so they may not be able to travel to the library at all. Many users in this population may require physical considerations, assistive technologies, and special materials. The 4th section of this presentation gives some insight into initiatives for serving this population as well as ways to meet their needs. Many assistive technologies are suggested that address physical, auditory, visual, and cognitive struggles. Focusing on collections, programming, and technology training are other ways for librarians to better serve this population. Tailoring specific areas of the collection, the library website, as well as programming, can aid in information literacy for this group. It is also important for the library to provide strong reference service, both in person and at distance, through phone and email support. Possessing the proper demeanor when serving this population includes patience, respect, and consideration for a wide range of possible struggles. Moving forward, the senior population is predicted to continue to rise as life expectancy increases. By 2033, it is expected that the number of adults over 65 will be higher than those under 18 years of age in the United States. Libraries, librarians, and library administration need to therefore consider making the services provided to this population a priority. Partnering with local organizations that serve this population, as well as implementing a strong home delivery program, are important ways to establish a connection to this group. Taking into consideration the research on the nature of this user group, is it of great importance for librarians to take the time to get to know the needs, behaviors, and challenges of senior citizens. It is a diverse user group that we are all likely to encounter in our work, and preparing the proper programming, collection, and education for these users will help them to gain confidence and independence as library and technology users of the future.